In this video, we're going to learn how to host a Zoom meeting. Once you have scheduled your Zoom meeting and you have launched your meeting, you will come to this screen if you haven't already chosen to share your video or your screen. This is your blank screen. This also will show if you've done a real ad hoc meeting. You can copy the URL and send out the invitation to whoever needs to. So here you can turn on your video and turn it off. Here's where you can choose a virtual background. Close that out. Start your video and they'll see the virtual background of you. Here's where you will unmute your mic so they can hear you through the Zoom meeting. If you need to mute your mic, just turn it back and you'll have the X through it. If you want to share your screen, click on Share. You have some tiles for some different options. One is your desktop, and that allows you to do anything on your desktop. You also have some other windows that are open, and that ties it just to that specific window. So unless that's what you want, you might want to pick your desktop, or you can select Whiteboard. Don't forget to click Share in the lower right corner. Here's where you can write, erase, and all kinds of fun stuff. Back on the Share, you can move back to your desktop, click Share again, and now you've switched back to your desktop. As a host, you'll want to make sure you open this participants window if it's not already open, and just have it setting aside, or if you have another monitor, scoot it over to the other monitor. With this window, you can make someone a host or a co-host. You can rename them, you can put them on hold, or you can remove them if they shouldn't be in this class. You also have more options down here, so make sure to look through this. If you want to lock your meeting so no one else can come in, this is where you would lock your meeting. The other thing that you would want to have open is your chat window in case anybody's corresponding you through chat. So you click on the More and click Chat. Here's where everyone will be chatting. You can send a message to a specific person or to everyone. You can click here on the buttons, the three buttons, and you have some options on who the participants can chat with. If you've turned off your private chat on your settings, then there will be no options for a private chat to individuals. However, if you have not, you can make that change here for each meeting. In the More section, you can also click to record this Zoom meeting. So clicking on this and it records to your computer. If you have the upgraded version, you can record it to the cloud. If in your settings you turned on the breakout rooms, you would click breakout rooms to set up your breakout rooms. And then here is where you would end the meeting. So be sure to click on End Meeting and then End Meeting for All. If you're just wanting to leave the meeting, you can click Leave Meeting, and then everybody else can stay within the meeting and continue on if you just need to leave. If you're with students, you might want to click End Meeting for All.